Namaskaram. Let's start with the term Onam itself. Kanchi Mahaperiyava in his Daivattin Kural says that the nakshatra called Shravana or Shrona in Sanskrita is what got modified into Ona in the Dravida language. Just like Shravani became Avani and Ashadhi became Adi. Thus came the term Onam or Tiruvonam with the Tiru prefix indicating prosperity or Shri. Thus Onam indicates the Shrona or the Shravana nakshatra. When we look at the Vedic literature, we find the mention of the Shrona nakshatra in the Nakshatra Suktam of the Aitiriya Brahmana. Trunvanti Shronam Amrutasya Gopam Punyamasya Upashrunomi Vacham Mahim Devim Vishnu Patni Majuryam Pratichimenam Havishaya Jamaha Redha Vishnururugayo Vijakrame Mahim Divam Prithivi Mantariksham Tachrodai Dishrava Yachamana Punyashlokai Yajamanaya Krinvati. The Sukta says that the Shrona nakshatra, in the form of the earth or the Vishnu Patni, attains Lord Vishnu in the form of Trivikrama of 3 strides: the earth, the heavens, and the interregion. May she confer fame on the Yajaman who is worshipping her with the Sukta or the Yajaman who is born in this nakshatra. Thus, a relationship between the Shrona nakshatra and the Trivikrama form of Mahavishnu is established right in the Vedas itself. We then come to the Bhagavata Mahapurana, in which we find the advent of Vamana Murti on the Dwadashi Tithi and the Shravana nakshatra. This is also celebrated as Vamana Jayanti in the northern part of the country. This Vamana, the Srimad Bhagavatam says, became Trivikrama after Mahabali agrees to give 3 footsteps of land to Vamana. In his Ashtapadi or Gita Govinda, Jayadeva Kavi beautifully describes this episode and sings Chalayasi Vikramane Keshava Balimadbhuta Vamana Padana Kanira Janita Jana Pavana Keshava Dhrita Vamana Rupa Jaya Jagadisha Hare Keshava Jaya Jagadisha Hare. Hence, the Shrona or the Ona nakshatra got associated with Vishnu as Trivikrama or Vamana. Tiruvonam is also considered the nakshatra of Sri Venkateshwara Swami at Tirumala. The day is celebrated as Shravana Vratam and special pujas are done to the Lord. Tirumazhi Alvar in his Nanmugan Tiruvandadi refers to this and says that he would like to visit Tirumala and see the Lord on this auspicious day of Tiruvonam. காணலுருகின்றேன் கல்லருவி முத்துதிர ஓட பிழவில் ஒலியதிர ஓட விழவில் ஒலியதிர பேணி வரு வெங்கடவா பேணி வரு வெங்கடவா எல்லுள்ளும் புகுந்தாய் திருவெங்கடம் அதனை சென்று திருவெங்கடம் அதனை சென்று because the connection between Onam and Vishnu, especially as Trivikrama or Vamana, is well established in the Vedas and the Puranas. And with the development of the Vaishnava Parampara in Kerala, the festival began to be celebrated in Kerala for Mahavishnu in general and Vamana Murthy specifically. It is hence that Trikkakara, in which is enshrined Vamana Murthy called Trikkakkarayappan, became the focal point of the festival. However, the relationship of Mahabali to Kerala is probably a later development. Bhagavata Mahapurana mentions of the episode of Mahabali and Vamana on the banks of the Narmada in central India. We do not find any mention of Kerala in that episode. Scholars opine that Mahabali of the Puranas is different from the Mahabali or Maveli celebrated in Kerala in relation with Onam. The latter was probably a Chera king who was referred to as Mahabali due to his valor and good conduct with his subjects. Another opinion is also that Maveli could be the descendant in the lineage of the royal families connected with Mahabali of the Puranas. Whatever be the case, Mahabali or Maveli was a great administrator whom the subjects loved, and hence his arrival on the Onam day is celebrated with great fanfare.
Namaskar. India, the land of festivals, perhaps has no day in the calendar where some festival or the other is being celebrated by some community. Most festivals, however, have a recurring theme, the story of the victory of good over evil. Onam is unique. It does not celebrate the good vanquishing evil. In fact, Onam is a very rebellious festival in its spirit. It questions the very norms of what is good and what is evil. The greatness of Kerala, the God's own country, is this seamless accommodation of different ideologies. Kerala, where the other major festivals such as Holi or Diwali are restricted to the small enclaves of migrated communities, Onam is celebrated with great pomp and grandeur, cutting across the barriers of caste and religion. In the typical accommodative fashion of Kerala, Vamana, the avatar of Bhagavan Vishnu, who vanquished the great Asura emperor through deceit, also finds a place in the celebration. Trikkakkarayappan, the patron deity of the ancient temple of Trikkakara village in Cochin, is Vamana, and he finds a place at the center of the flower pattern or purkala made in the courtyards of every home to welcome the Asura emperor. The irony of the great god made to wait in rain and sunshine for 10 days to greet the Asura king. Nothing could get more rebellious than this shift in roles. Once upon a time, clear skies, Onanila, the refreshing nip in the air and time when nature is washed green by the monsoon. The common picture-wing fly, the Ona Tumbi, which appears in fields during the month of August. The Ona Pakshi, migratory yellow oriole, often seen during Onam. Flowers in vibrant colors, bananas ripened yellow, fields lush with all sorts of vegetables, rope swings tied on sturdy trees, were all harbingers of Onam. Onam meant self-sufficiency, with each and every household ready for the festivities with homegrown vegetables, pookalams made of flowers sourced from their own garden, and locally woven Onapudavas. Onam does not celebrate a victory in war in its all-violent detail, nor does it involve branding the other as evil. The image of Onam is not the burning effigy of the vanquished or fiery tableau of death. but the amiable, almost comical, pot-bellied figure of Maveli with his palmyra leaf umbrella. It is a celebration of sacrifice and not valor. It is a reiteration of human values and not about explaining away anything as a play of divinity. Onam is about the unwavering commitment to truth and duty by an Asura king even when faced with sure annihilation. In Kerala, for centuries, Onam has been the celebration of equality in all forms, caste, gender and race. Maveli naadu vaanidum kaalam മനുഷ്യരെല്ലാരും ഒന്നുപോലെ ആമോദത്തോടെ വസിക്കും കാലം ആപത്തൊന്നാർക്കും ഒട്ടില്ല താനും. The English rendition of the song goes like this. When Maveli, our king, ruled the land, all the beings formed one casteless race. People lived joyful and merry, free from any kinds of harm.
മാവേലി നാടു വാണിടും കാലം മനുഷ്യരെല്ലാരും ഒന്നുപോലെ. മാവേലി നാടു വാണിടും കാലം മനുഷ്യരെല്ലാരും ഒന്നുപോലെ. ആമോദത്തോടെ വസിക്കും കാലം ആപത്തങ്ങാർക്കും ഒട്ടില്ല താനും. ആമോദത്തോടെ വസിക്കും കാലം ആപത്തങ്ങാർക്കും ഒട്ടില്ല താനും. ആധികൾ വ്യാധികൾ ഒന്നുമില്ല, ബാലമരണങ്ങൾ കേൾക്കാനില്ല. ആധികൾ വ്യാധികളൊന്നുമില്ല, ബാലമരണങ്ങൾ കേൾക്കാനില്ല. ദുഷ്ടരെ കൺകൊണ്ടു കാണാനില്ല, നല്ലവരല്ലാതെ ഇല്ല പാരിൽ. ദുഷ്ടരെ കൺകൊണ്ടു കാണാനില്ല, നല്ലവരല്ലാതെ ഇല്ല പാരിൽ. കള്ളവുമില്ല ചതിയുമില്ല, എള്ളോളമില്ല പൊള്ളിവചനം. കള്ളവുമില്ല ചതിവുമില്ല, എള്ളോളമില്ല പൊള്ളിവചനം. കള്ളപ്പറയും ചെറുനാഴിയും കള്ളത്തരങ്ങൾ മറ്റൊന്നുമില്ല. കള്ളപ്പറയും ചെറുനാഴിയും കള്ളത്തരങ്ങൾ മറ്റൊന്നുമില്ല. മാവേലി നാടു വാണിടും കാലം മനുഷ്യരെല്ലാരും ഒന്നുപോലെ. മനുഷ്യരെല്ലാരും ഒന്നുപോലെ. മനുഷ്യരെല്ലാരും ഒന്നുപോലെ.
Major events during Onam festival. Trippunithura Attachanai. This marks the first day of Onam, which is celebrated with grandeur and zeal. The day is filled with colorful inauguration which features a street parade. This includes different Kerala art forms, musicians, dancers and carnival floats and decorated elephants which walk down the streets. Pookalam, the floral decoration and arrangements. Onam festival is also called the Festival of Flowers, and Pookalam is one of the forms of celebrating this grand festival. Pookalam, also known as Attapuva, is an intricate and colorful arrangement of flowers laid on the floor. Pookalam consists of two words, Puva meaning flower and Kalam means color sketches on the ground. Puligali, the grand tiger dance. The literal meaning of Puligali is the play of the tiger, which was started 200 years ago by the king of Kochi. Hundreds of people get themselves painted and dressed like tigers and perform this dance on traditional music. Palliyodam Vallamkali, more of a ritual than a race, the Aranmula Uttratadi boat race is another fascinating ritual during the Onam festival. The majestic snake boats that take part in the event dedicated to Lord Parthasarathi are known as Palliyodams. Onam Sadhya, a festival without delicious food is incomplete, and the Onasadhya or Onam feast is the highlight of this 10-day celebration. This is a 9-course meal which comprises of 11 to 13 traditional dishes which is served on a banana leaf. Folk dances. Any festival is incomplete without a dance performance, and Onam festival is no different. During the festival, you can see a lot of women perform folk dances. Kaivotikali, the clap dance form, and Tumbidullal, in which the women dance in circles, are some of them. Events post Onam celebration. The major part of the Onam celebration end by the Tiruvonam, which is followed by the another 2 days as the third and fourth Onam. The third day, called the Avittam, marks the celebration of King Mahabali's abode to the heavens. During the celebration, the most important ritual of the day is immersing the Onathappan statue, which is placed in the middle of every Pookalam during these 10 days, after which the Pookalam is cleaned and removed. The festival ends with the famed Aranmula Uttratadi Vallamkali or Aranmula boat race, which is the most ancient and revered boat races of Kerala. This is Simi Pillai signing off. Happy and blessed Onam Onashamsaval.
ഓണമിതം ബഹുമംഗളമേ തിരുവോണമിതം ബഹുമംഗളമേ തിരുവോണമിതം ബഹുമംഗളമേ തിരുവോണമിതം ബഹുമംഗളമേ തിരുവോണമിതം ബഹുമംഗളമേ മാനസമതിലതി കൗതുകമേകിന നാനാവിധോത്സവ മഞ്ജുളമാം തിരുവോണമിതം ബഹുമംഗളമേ സരസിജനയനൻ തിരുവടി തന്നുടെ സാരാഭമാം തിരുനാളാകും തിരുവോണമിതം ബഹുമംഗളമേ അഖിലരും അതിസുഖജലധിയിൽ മുഴുകിടും ആനന്ദമേകിന വാസരമാം തിരുവോണമിതം ബഹുമംഗളമേ ധനവിരഹിതരിലും ഒരു ധനസുഖമിഹ ധാരാളമേകിന വാസരമാം തിരുവോണമിതം ബഹുമംഗളമേ തിരുവോണമിതം ബഹുമംഗളമേ തിരുവോണമിതം ബഹുമംഗളമേ തിരുവോണമിതം ബഹുമംഗളമേ തിരുവോണമിതം ബഹുമംഗളമേ